This is Austin and Christian playing red light, green light. So we're gonna see who wins and who falls. Alright y'all, it's backwards. Yeah. Alright. Red light. Ah! Okay, green light. Red light. Blue light. Green light. Faster, faster. Red light. Green light. Red light. Christian. Go to that tree, like that little thing sticking. Whatever. Green light.